Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to reset DNS settings in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Sometimes you may face internet problems such as websites not loading, slow browsing, or the DNS server not responding error. In many cases, these issues occur because of incorrect or corrupted DNS settings. Resetting the DNS configuration can often fix these problems and restore your internet connections. So let's get started. First, click on the start button, then type cmd in the search results. Right click on the command prompt entry and select here run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. After that, to reset the DNS settings, you will need to run a few commands one by one. First, type the ipconfig a space /+DNS. After that, press enter on the keyboard. You should see a message that the DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed. Next, you need to type ipconfig. After that, put one space, then slash, and then release. Then press enter on the keyboard. This command releases the current IP configuration. Now you need to type ipconfig a space / after that renew, and then press enter key on the keyboard. This will request a new IP address from the network. Finally, you need to type netsh, then put one space, then int, put one space, then IP, then a space, and then type here reset. After that, again press enter on the keyboard. This command resets the TCP IP stack and restores network settings to their default state. After running these commands, restart your computer to complete the process. Once your PC restarts, the DNS settings will be reset and many network related problems should be resolved. That's it. I hope this guide helped you. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the GearUpWindows channel for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.